Happy Friday morning, everybody. It's Jamie, and today we are going to be doing the mini roll the dice savings challenges, and we have got a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32. So we're going to see how far we can get, and in a little bit I will show you the next roll the dice challenges that we're going to be working on in the last bit of December of 2024 into 2025. So I did move some of these out into a different binder, and I will show you the reason why here in a little bit, but we're going to get started in this one. And of course, some of these, have a designated place to go. And let's see what we can do today. So hopefully it'll all work out. So I wrote a 5. I'll put the 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just slide that right back in there. Get in there, girl. Okay, the next one is 3. So 1, 2, 3. I hope everybody has been having a great week and starting into the weekend. December is flying by. Christmas will be here before you guys know it. This one right here, what I'm going to do is I am just going to roll the dice here, and it is going to get a 1. So I'm just going to color in this one right here. And I'm just going to put that there. Let's see what we got in here right now. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 in this one. Oh my goodness, I'm having such a hard time today. This one right here is on my Etsy shop. If you all are interested in any of these little type here, they are on my Etsy. Let's see what we can do for this one. Oh, it's going to get a 1, which is okay. So I'll just color in a little 1 here. Put that one back in here. Put that one right there. Okay, so this little micro win here. How much have we got left? Okay, sorry about that. I had to get a drink. My throat is dry. 4, so we will do 4. So what I will do 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see what we got now. There's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22. 22 in that one. Okay, so that does it for the little mini challenges. And we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 left. So let me put that there. And then I'm going to bring this over here. And this is what I'm also going to be working on. Of course, you know I have the Winter Savings Challenge. I did reprint this out and just put in the numbers that I'd already used. And I'm going to roll it. And it gets a 2. So we'll put the 2 here. This one right here will be going towards my 2025 Savings Challenge that I'm going to be doing. You can do small challenges and put them into larger ones. It's your challenge. You do it the way you want to. So far in this one, we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And put that there. I'm just trying to keep it all together, people. Okay, now the next one is a freebie that I got from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Company. This is a freebie she sent me. This one is going to go towards car payoff. I want to pay my car off this year, guys. And it's going to get a 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to color in this one right here. And then over here, I'm going to put $2. So 1 and 2 is going to go into this one. So whatever I save in this one is going to go towards my car payoff. And that is a goal for 2025 that I want to do. I want to get my car paid off. So I'll put that one there. And then the next one, of course, is the 2025 Savings Challenge. I did complete a challenge. Let me scoot this over a little bit. I did complete this one. I put it in here. I've not colored this in yet because I am waiting for some special gel pens to come in because I want it to sparkle. So I'm just waiting on that. And then I believe that is the, yeah, that is the last. But we will be doing this one in a little while. So guys, stick around. Thank you for all the new subscribers I got. I don't know where you came from, but I really and truly thank you for coming. And the rest of this will be going into my little pouch over here for the next go around. And we'll see how much we can come up with and how much we can save in the next few days. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.